Hey, so hopefully this video will help you if you don't quite remember what to do or we're not in person for what to do with this PLPs and MTC document. So this is a document that's going to help you work through this slideshow that's right here. Maggie is coming into our classes to chat about it and kind of introduce us to it. But then it's work time to look through this slideshow, which I'll open up and we'll go through in a second, and work through this document. So the skill we're working on is just managing our learning, so trying something new in our learning. I'm willing to bet that PLPs are something relatively new. We're trying really hard to make them more integrated and ingrained because they are really important. And MTC is new. It's new this year for you all. As freshmen, you all have one. So to help kind of understand the difference and understand what they are and things like that, we have this document and this slideshow up here that Maggie has made for us and will chat with us about. These are just a couple different areas to record notes. You'll have your own copy, so you'll type exactly in the document. You'll type right in there for your notes, just to kind of refresh your memory for what the PLP is and how can you use it and things like that. We've talked a bit about it this year. And then when Maggie is in here talking and working through this slideshow, there's this section about MTC, which stands for Mastery Transcript Consortium. And so the point of these questions down here is to help you work through the slideshow and just as a place to jot down notes so that you can come back to it, whether it's second semester or your sophomore year or something like that, until you get really familiar and you feel comfortable with it. This is a place where you are going to jot down some notes and ideas to help you work through this, because there are a lot of moving pieces, especially this year. So you're going to have your own copy, and again, actually type right in here, it says there, for notes and responses and things. And then there's just a connection section down below that kind of compares and contrasts them. The main, not the main point, but something that's really important to keep in mind is that MTC is like the refrigerator. That's spelled wrong. It's the work that you're really proud of and want to display and show people your skills. The PLP is like the filing cabinet or the binder that you pull that work from. Oh my goodness, I'm so sorry. So they are very similar and they connect and they help, but MTC is like the refrigerator, like so proud, this is it, like I want colleges to see this, or I want my employers to see this. And then PLP is like the binder or the filing cabinet or the folder or the place where the stuff comes from. So this is down at the bottom now. That will hopefully help with that. And then working through this document, some of you are on iPads. It's very true. So some of us have this another step kind of under here with semester 1 links, and that is this document, and it's what we're working on for the rest of semester 1, if you're in this in semester 1. But it is like a step below the PLP, because we know in some cases that it's been really challenging to access the iPads. The PLPs on the iPads. So this is a document that, again, it's a step below the PLP, because the idea is to help you gather evidence for all of your classes, all of the things you've done that you would want to put into your PLP to then put into MTC. but because of iPads or this, that, the other technical problems, which is no one's fault, we have this document right here. So it will help you gather evidence for your classes. So you would fill this out. You would link things in right here. There are 4 sections for your 4 classes, and you're more than welcome to do more than one entry or put more than one thing in there. And there's also a section that goes over all the aspects of the PLP that we've worked on throughout the year so far, that you may or may not have things for. But again, this is a place where you can jot down some ideas or put things in so that you can then add them to your PLP, so that then from your PLP you are able to upload evidence that you're really proud of to MTC. The PLP helps you build and store. It's like that base. It's the filing cabinet of work that you can put into your MTC. And MTC shows that work, and it also, because it's showing work and evidence and things you're proud of, it shows more than just a grade. Yes, it shows the score that you got, but it also shows the skill that you were practicing, projects that you did, things you're really proud of. It's that bigger picture. Yes, you're a human, you're not just a body in a